Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm very excited to launch one of my Udemy course. If you are my subscriber, you already know that I have been posting a lot of videos for my Udemy courses, and basically I launched them on this channel for free, and that is just for first 100 students. So I'm going to do the same thing here, but let me first show you what my Udemy course is and what we are going to do. Alright, so this is my course, and the course is on MongoDB and Spring Boot based CRUD application, and this is specifically for beginners. So if you don't know about MongoDB and if you have basic knowledge of Java or maybe Spring Boot, then this course is for you. So I have specified everything here, like what you will learn and what you will learn basically. So this is stated here. Now, this is a very fast paced course. There is not a lot of sections where you have to invest a lot of time here. So I have segregated it in a very easy way possible. So I have first introduced the course, then I have talked about what is MongoDB, then the tool through which basically you can use your database of your MongoDB, and then how to set up your project and basically do the coding. And then I have segregated it into two parts. So this is just a RESTful project, and then on the same project we have a web UI based project as well. Then we have a congratulations section where we have the congratulations video, and then we have this GitHub repo which you can use to basically navigate to the repository that I have created, which basically you can use for your reference. Okay, so if you see here, we have this preview feature here. So here basically you can click on it and take a look at this video specifically, because I have enabled it as a preview. So if you hit play, you can basically play this.
Hello and
Alright,
welcome to
so
this course.
Similarly, you can see other videos as well which were enabled as a preview. So these all are preview videos. So so I'm just disabling this from preview because there were a lot of videos which were enabled as preview, but I would need this demo as enabled and then this one as enabled. All right, now if I hit refresh, all right, so this is now as a preview. These are not, but these two are. So in this, if you click on this one, you would see the project demo of the RESTful application, and with this you would see the project demo of web UI based project demo. So you can click on it and watch the video. Now, why you should enroll to this course? I would give you two benefits. First, this is going to be entirely free for you. Second is that you would get a certificate once you actually complete this course. Now, what is the benefit? So with the certification, you can use that certificate on your resume or on your LinkedIn and any other social media profiles. You can share the certificate as well to your friends or to your networks, so that they can see that, okay, this guy is learning MongoDB and Spring Boot. So this can be very beneficial if you are coming from a non-technical background, or if you are just a beginner or a graduate. So if you want to learn something new, then certification is a very good way to go with that. So yeah, so these are the two benefits that this course is going to provide you. And if you see, this pricing is not that much. Again, I have listed it at this price, but this is the offered price. But I'm going to give this price for free for first 100 students only. So if you are basically enrolling to this course, give it a 5-star rating at least, because you are getting it for free. So it would be very helpful for me, because this would give it a boost so that any other student can basically buy or enroll to this course. And I'm seeing that a lot of you are not subscribing to my channel, so please do that. Now let's work on that coupon thing. So through this coupon, basically you can use it for free. Basically you can enroll to the course for free, and I'm going to show you as well. So I'm creating a coupon. So this is for free 100 redemptions, and this expires in 31 days. So this is going to start from today, which is 18th. So let me just copy this and review coupon, create coupon. All right, so it's created, and don't worry about it. I'll share the coupon code on the description. So here the coupon code is already applied, but you can ignore this. Just enter the coupon code, hit apply, and what you will see it is at free. So this is now free. All right, so with this you can basically enroll to the course. I cannot enroll to the course because I'm not logged in, but if you are logged in, you can basically enroll to this course for free. So this is it for this video. This was a very short video, but two things that I am going to request you: if you are enrolling to this course, give it a 5-star rating, put up a good comment. Basically this is going to be for me, and I would be really grateful. And if you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I would meet you in some another video. Till then, stay happy, keep learning, and bye bye.